Trying to charge your phone can be a real hassle when you're on the move. You can't find a power socket, or you have messy cables or a bulky power bank. That's why we created LesFlux, the world's first smartphone case that wirelessly charges your smartphone while you're on the move. With advanced technology and a sleek and compact design, LesFlux powers everyone's on-the-go lifestyle, and it's compatible with top-of-the-line devices like iPhone 8 or 10 and Samsung 7, 8 or 9. Wherever you go, LesFlux's smart features will make your life easier. Its powerful charger has a max capacity of 6,000 milliamps per hour. That's twice the size of your iPhone battery. An intelligent LED light indicator, so you can see when the charger is on, and exactly how much juice you have left. A built-in RFID card protector, which prevents thieves from stealing your money and details from your bank cards. And with a durable gel interior and stylish leather case, your phone will look great and be secure with enhanced protection. Our unique design even allows you to share your phone case with friends whose batteries have run low. Or wirelessly charge your phone case and phone simultaneously on a docking stand and charging pads. For the past 2 years, our award-winning designers have worked tirelessly on many prototypes, designing and customizing the technology down to fit in a phone case suitable for your wireless charging phone. And we're pleased to say we cracked it. Perfect for your everyday needs. LesFlux's smart technology will power your on-the-go lifestyle. Whatever you do, wherever you go, your phone won't run out of energy before you do. Talk longer, view longer, and browse longer while you're on the go with LesFlux, the world's first smartphone case with built-in wireless charger. LesFlux is your smartphone's power and protection. LesFlux, meaningful power.
Hi guys, we are so close to finalising this project right now, but we now need your support to take LesFlux to manufacture. So please back this project, let's make this a reality, and together we can revolutionise the way we charge our smartphones while we're on the go. Cheers.
Strawberries, one of the most popular fruits on the planet. Low calories, rich in vitamin C. For good reasons, it's called the queen of the garden.
Perfecto. Maravillosa.
Allured by the taste of this delicious fruit, we often forget about where and under which conditions strawberries are grown. Store-bought strawberries often travel thousands of miles before they end up on your plate. More often than not, they are treated with pesticides. On the other hand, homegrown strawberries often cannot cope with bad weather conditions and pest problems. As professional designers of smart gardening solutions, we thought it's really time to turn the conventional way of growing strawberries on its head. So we've created Sissy Strawberry, a ready-to-plant strawberry tree. You can use it as a small tree, as a big tree, as an elevated tree, or as a hanging tree. The modular and space-saving design allows you to grow fresh, organic strawberries under controlled conditions, either in your garden or on your balcony. A great option for urban gardening. The handling of Sissy Strawberry is really simple. You just fill the compartments with potting soil and put in the seedlings of your choice. After planting, all you have to do is water your strawberries and watch them grow. The water distribution system ensures ideal conditions for every compartment. Back us now, and we promise once you've tasted the sweetness of your own strawberries, you'll want to have them again and again. Till then, bon appetit and happy planting.
Perfecto.
Meet the IV Max, a portable toothbrush that fits your everyday routine. IV Max is an all-in-one solution using dentist-approved amount of highest quality toothpaste to safely and effectively take care of your oral hygiene. A dedicated team of engineers helped us to contain all the necessary features in a stylish, surgical steel constructed body which is always at your disposal. We've gone through hundreds of test hours, expert reviews, and thorough evaluation of every technical detail. Toothpaste misuse, coupled with vigorous brushing, is proven to cause enamel damage. The fine-tuned architecture of IV Max is making sure that you're always using the recommended toothpaste amount, paired with industry's finest brush bristles and organic toothpaste coming in portable pods. Brush heads are 100% recyclable and ready to meet your needs. Coming in soft, super soft, or ultra soft. 3 to 5% of tube toothpaste stays unused, causing enormous amounts of fluoride to endanger the environment, polluting air and wreaking havoc on wildlife. IV Max is putting 100% of paste to use. Our detail-oriented approach is what makes a difference in the bigger picture. Help us reach the goal. Let's change the way we treat oral care together.